Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Anna and I'm a little bit spooky. And today we are creating this warm, bronzy, grungy look halo eye with the Melt Gemini palette. I just want to use this palette every single day since I got it. I love it so much. And I got lipstick on my teeth. Classy. But this is the look we created today, and if you want to see how I got this look, you can go ahead and keep on watching, but before you do, please like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Mine's going pretty good, aside from a little hair fail with some co-washing. Apparently my hair just does not like to be co-washed. It just wants shampoo, dang it. So we had to ponytail her today. But anyway, also let me know how you feel about these little hair tie scarf business and the scrunchie. I think it's cute, but I don't know. I feel cute. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this eye look, and I'll see you in just a minute. I think today I'm going to do like a halo eye is what I'm feeling. So we're just going to jump right on in. I want to use the brown tones again. Taking a M441 into Luna, and we're just going to run that right through the transition. I've primed my eyes already with the Milani eyeshadow primer. I did a different concealer today. I used the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I don't think I love it on my eyelids. It's just a little too drying for that. But that's what I used today, and I've set down a little bit of translucent powder just to make everything blend smooth. We're just going to take Luna pre-blown out, like we did in another look. I don't have all the time in the world today, so we're kind of moving fast. I mean, it's 7 a.m. I gotta be somewhere at 10, so to me that means I'm behind, I'm running late, and I got up at 4 a.m. It's like, what takes me so long? What was I doing? Importing footage, that takes for fucking ever. And yeah, my hair's wet once again, letting it dry. I just co-washed it when I got up. I'm experimenting with the co-washing thing. Now let's take, I think I'll stay away from maybe the too mustardy tone. We're gonna jump into polka dot on a 433 for Morphe and start packing that on the outer part here. Building it. I've got lash glue stuck to my eyelid right in there. We're just gonna deal with it. So I've been trying to get that damn lash glue off without injuring myself. Boring. Okay, we're just gonna build this shade. The outer part first, flick up, wing her out a little. And just pull it up and let it blend into Luna. So now I'm going to take this on one side of the brush, and we'll start kind of pulling it over. I'm taking it kind of high above my crease and doing just a very soft swoop. I'm following more my brow bone rather than the actual crease of my lid. And I'd recommend that to anybody with hooded lids, to follow more your bone shape rather than the fold of your eye. I'm just kind of pulling it over. Nothing too neat and precise. Tidy up with some blending in a minute. Just want to get that depth in there. Jump back in with our blending brush that had Luna. Take a little more Luna. Blend. Really gonna blend out polka dot. Alright, on this same brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of polka dot, just lightly on the tip. I'm just gonna blend softly. E62 with the polka dot. I'm gonna use this to do my outer part here. I love this little brush. It's like a little magic trick. Okay. Now on a M456, we're gonna go into Cupcake, which is a little bit darker brown, and take that a little bit deeper into the crease. My eye's kind of watery today. And just kind of on the outer V. And just blend. Getting that a little bit lower, a little more concentrated. So it's getting a little weird because my eye is kind of watering some. So that's causing some patchiness. It's not the eyeshadow, it's me. And again, I don't love the e.l.f. Camo Concealer as a base, I don't think. Stick to my Milani Conceal and Perfect for now. Isn't that weird? I don't love the Milani formula for under the eyes so much, but I love it for my lids. But I love the Camo Concealer under my eyes. I don't love it on the lid. You wouldn't think it would make that much of a difference. Okay, I'm flipping the brush up and just kind of sweeping it over a little bit. The M124, and then we're going to take polka dot and pop it in the inner corner here. And just let that kind of join up into the crease shape we created. Alright, and Cupcake, same brush. Just on the innermost part. And just keep building these up till you're happy with the depth. Okay, I'm going to jump back into the 433 polka dots. Just do a little more blending. Alright, I'm going to go back into our biggest fluffy brush, Luna. Alright, now I'm going to take a M562 with Cupcake and just kind of flip it around here. Slightly blend, really trying to build up the depth. And come back around those edges with polka dot. And just really diffuse right here. But I think we will take just a touch of Lorelei, just right in this region. Just to kind of soften that edge a little bit. Just do a lot back and forth here. Just wanting to get that blend perfect. Me obsessively blending, never. Back to the 443. Maybe we'll take a little bit of the NYX glitter glue. Just a tiny bit. Oh, there's a lash stuck to it. That's cool. Just gonna pop a little on the back of my hand and take my finger. Just pat a little bit on the center of the lid here. Up to the crease. A nice sticky base. Back into our little flat brush here, the 124. And we're gonna go into Gemini. Side shadow performs well over that. That might be the way to do it. Sticky base. Just gonna pat it on. Yep. And smooth it out. Kind of work it into the lid. And just kind of diffuse these edges. And I'm going to go back to my little brush here, cleaned off, take a little bit of Cupcake, and just kind of smooth out, make sure everything is kind of flowing together nicely between the shimmer and the matte on the lid. Taking a clean brush here that I used to put my translucent powder, just kind of come right underneath the brow, just get that nice and smooth. Okay, so next I'm going to take a little bit of Bonnie on an angled brush and just take it right at the lash line. And just kind of flick it out ever so slightly. Just really kind of a nice soft wing effect, but not a super precise wing. 506 and just kind of blend that over. Just really soften that out. In fact, I'll take a little Cupcake on it. I just want to give the lash line a little bit of definition real quick. Alright, now I'm gonna clamp fall out. Okay, that looks absolutely crazy. I know. It'll come together when we're finished. It'll all come together. Just trust me. Trust the process. M152. We're gonna go into polka dot. Just run that along lower lash line, merging into the upper. And bringing polka dot all the way across. Alright, same brush, clean it off a little bit. We're gonna take Cupcake on one side and have that side facing up. Focus more on the outer corner. And blend it into the upper lash line. Can I do a little C motion here? So eyeshadow on one side of the brush. Outer part. And do a little C. And just gonna let it all flow together. Clean that off. I'm gonna take a little bit of Lorelei on one side again and focus it more on the inner part. Now I'm going to take that 443, I'm going to take some Luna on one side and that side's facing up and just blend. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe do a little tight lining and pop on some lashes and all of that kind of jazz. Finish up the face and we'll be back for the final touches. Skin's done. I've contoured, bronzed, and put on some false lashes. But yeah, the eyes are finished. I really like the way they came out. I think they're quite pretty. So let's move on to, why do I have my bronzer brush in my lap? I don't know. I'm gonna go into the Hourglass Ambient Lighting edit, the first one. I'm gonna take the center shade, which is called Luminous Flush. I think that's a little too pink. Let's take a little bit of Mood Exposure, mix in. And turn it down a little bit. And we went blush heavy. Oh shit, I forgot to do my highlighter first. Damn it. Damn it. Oh well. Well, highlighter, I'm gonna take the NYX Glass Skin here. The high points. Alright, let's tone down that blush a little bit, because we went a little ham there, didn't we? My goodness, what happened? I'm gonna take my buffing brush here and just kind of run it into diffused light. Here we go. Calm that bitch down some. Damn. Alright, over top of that highlight, I'm gonna take the NYX Glass Skin, or High Glass, I'm sorry, I call them Glass Skin all the time. It's just the finishing powder. I'm gonna take it on my highlight brush. I'm gonna hit under the brow bone with it as well. And pop a little bit on the inner corner of the eye. I like how you can really build this product up and get a really nice shine from it. It's such a seamless shine. It just gives like a nice glow. Like it's not like shimmery or anything. And for lips, I think I'm gonna go with Aristocrat from CoverGirl. It's the Melted Pout. I think this lip color is kind of perfect with these eyes. Alright, I'm gonna do some setting spray. I think I'm gonna use, actually, I need to finish up my Shake and Glow before I start using up another one. Yeah, I'm gonna let the setting spray dry, go zhuzh my hair, and we'll be back for the final thoughts. Okay, and here we are with the finished look. What I've learned today is my hair does not like being co-washed at all. It weighs it down too much. It gets kind of oily feeling. Anyway, so we got a ponytail. I did this little thing with like a scarf business that goes with it. So I did that in a little tiny ponytail, but just getting longer. We can style things around. I think it looks cute. I don't know. It looks cute to me in my mirror. So yeah. Anyway, this is the makeup complete, and I hope you enjoyed following along with me and seeing how I got this look and just playing with some kind of neutral colors and creating something very smoky and sultry, I guess. Again, oops, I forgot to put my nose ring back in. I knew something was missing on my face. Oh great, that's gonna hurt because it's been out a minute. Oh, she hurts the sticker back in. All my piercings on my face have done that. Like I take it out for like 5 minutes and it feels like the hole's already trying to close up. The Libre did it. This one was real bad about doing that, and that bitch hurt sticker back in. The brow's probably the only one that I could still get a ring in this little bitch. Stupid eyebrow ring. Like I hate this scar right here where I had the eyebrow ring. It started rejecting and pushing out, so the skin got real thin, and it got caught on the lace on a pillow, and it kind of yanked it and tore some of it too. So it looks like a vagina at the top. Yeah, love that for me. But a little bees in. Where were we? I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today and watching me create this look and having some fun. And yeah, if you want some more in-depth reviews, you can always go check out my blog. It will be linked below. On there, I review individual products really in depth. I have some concealer reviews, some foundation reviews over there as well as on here. But I do a lot of skincare reviews over there. Mascaras, lip products, just individual products that I don't want to devote a video to. You can head over there and check them out. There's also some random ramblings and all sorts of things. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Mine's going good, and aside from the co-washing hair fill, everything's a little too heavy for my thin, delicate hair. So if you've got any tips and tricks for really fine curly hair, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay spooky. Bye now.